Hey Russell fam, today I'm going to give you 5 tips for new homeschooling moms. Be back in just a second. Hi, my name is Becky and this is Russell's Loving Life. If you're new to our channel, welcome. If you like what you see, please hit that subscribe button down in the bottom and click that little bell notification so you get notified every time we upload a video. If you are a Russell fan that has been here a while, welcome back. I hope this video gives you some information that you needed to know and answers your questions. Tip number 1 is to always know your homeschool state laws. You can check that out going through the Homeschool Legal Defense Association. I'll leave a link down in the description box below. They're also known as the HSLDA, and I check out our state's homeschool laws every year, just making sure nothing changes. Tip number 2 is learn what works best for your child. What works best for one family may not work best for yours. And you're not going to find the magic of what works right away. It's going to go through trial and error. So just know that it's going to take some time to learn what works best for your family. Don't stress over it. I know as a first-time homeschool mom, I stressed over it a lot, but I finally found what works best for our family. And I didn't learn it the first year. I've been homeschooling for 6 years, and I've finally found the groove that works best for us. Tip number 3 is do not compare yourself to other homeschool moms or other homeschool families. That is going to overwhelm you. It's going to stress you out. All homeschool moms at one time or another have compared themselves and their homeschool ways to another family. And what works for one isn't going to work for you. It may or may not, but do not stress and overwhelm yourself with trying to compare yourself to someone else or mimic what they're doing. Just do what is best for your family. Tip number 4 is to find a homeschool group or a support system in your area. When I first started homeschooling, I didn't know where to go or where to turn, so I checked with my local librarian, and she told me of a homeschool group in our area, and that's where we started. And you've got to have some form of support system. With technology these days, you can join support groups on Facebook. I know I have one. It's called Homeschool Moms Helping Homeschool Moms, and I'll leave that link in the description box below. But join a homeschool group, whether it is through a social media or one in your area. You've got to have a support system, and your children will benefit so much from it. Tip number 5 is what I recommend for all first-year homeschool moms is to find an all-in-one curriculum. An all-in-one curriculum is a boxed curriculum that gives you everything you need for that year. That way you're not having to stress over getting materials and everything you need, and you'll learn what works best for you and your child doing that. I have used My Father's World since Bailey was in kindergarten, and he is in 5th grade now, so I've been using it for 6 years. And I'll leave a link up here of the My Father's World curriculum unboxing for kindergarten that I'm using with Becca, and also the one for Bailey up here as well. So you can see what kind of comes in an all-in-one boxed curriculum. There is also a free one called Easy Peasy All-in-One. It is on the computer. Just check them out. That is a free all-in-one curriculum that if you didn't want to spend a lot of money your first year, check that one out and use it as well. on your journey for your first year. I hope you found those 5 tips to be helpful. I know the first year of homeschooling can be scary. It can be overwhelming. We've all been there. We've all done that. So I wanted to give new homeschoolers just those 5 little tips to help ease your mind and to take some of the stress and the worry off of you. And remember to always be kind, be careful, be considerate, and have a great day. Bye.